A very good morning to all our students. So today we are going to do a special craft with the circles. Okay. So to make the circles, we will take the red paper. Okay. Take the red paper. First, we will fold the paper. It shouldn't be half. It should be like this, a little more than half. Okay. Don't fold it into half. It will be a little more than half. So you can see this is the trace which is coming. So you need to fold the paper like this. Okay. So we will cut this portion. We will cut the paper into two. Okay. So now this portion we will fold it into half. Okay. And we will draw a big circle in this. Okay. And we shall cut this. So we will get two circles out of one sheet.
Ma'am, can you just show that folding again? I was just out of the video for some time.
Yeah. It will be a little more than half. Yeah.
Okay. Not after that?
Half. One portion will be a bit bigger and one portion will be a bit small. Okay. So we will take the smaller portion and we will fold it into half a sheet, and we will draw a big circle in this side.
The smaller circle has to, the smaller portion has to be again made.
You have to draw a big circle here. Yeah, like this. So we will get two circles out of it because we have folded the paper. So we will get two big circles. So we will start cutting.
Cutting karo.
Okay, so we got the two big circles. So we will keep this aside, and now we will take the remaining portion of the paper. We will fold this in a straight way. So we will fold this like this. Okay, we will fold it half. So it will come out like this. We will not cut it. We will make 8 small circles from this. So I will show you one simple trick to do it in an easier way. So I have made this circle in one side of the paper. I will simply fold this. Okay. Simply fold it into 4 folds, and you can just get the circles done. So we just fold the circle. We will fold the paper like this so that we can get the cutting of the circle. So we will get 8 circles like this. So you will need 8 small circles.
Repeat the folding?
Yes, sure. You will draw one small circle in this portion. You simply fold it 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will get 4 circles out of this. So in total, we need 8 small circles. Okay. So it's just to make it more easy by using the folding, so that once only you draw it and in one shot only you get the 8 circles. So because if you keep drawing the 8 circles, it will take a lot of time for you to cut the circles out.
No, for the another bigger paper, and the another bigger paper, we have to fold it like this, ma'am.
Yes,
Hello?
you will make 2 circles from there.
No. The smaller paper, you have done the 2 circles.
Yeah.
Now the bigger paper, so we have to fold it like this.
Yes, yes. You will fold it in a straight form and you will take 8 circles from there. So you need to
So one
make.
circle, then fold it. हाँ, one
Yes.
circle then. তোমার হাতে ধরে রাখো, ঠিক আছে? হাতে ধরে রাখো, মুড়বে না। এখানে রাখো, এটা নিচে রাখো, এটা নিচে রাখো। টাকাটা নিয়ে চাপা দাও।
So in total, you will need 8 small circles. So just keep that in mind.
পেন্সিলটা কোথায় গেল? দিয়েছি। হ্যাঁ। দাও।
Okay, so I'll once more repeat. Small circles will be 8 pieces and the big circles will be 2 pieces. Okay?
After that, after making the circles,
Yes, after making the circle, we will take in the blue sheet. Okay? Now we will take the big circle. We will fold it into half. So it will come out like this. Okay? And we will paste one part of the circle. Okay? Only the, don't paste the 2 parts. You will just need to paste one part of it. I'll just show you the sticking of the paper.
ठीक है धीरे धीरे इधर करो तापर एठे अठा लगाओ पेपर डा एठे लगाओ मैम कैन यू शो दैट आफ्टर स्टिकिंग हाउ डज इट लुक लाइक
Yes.
एडे स्टिकिंग करो एडा लगाओ इन तापर आउटे एडे चिरो लगाओ ये सब तो लगाओ
Okay. So it will look like this. So this portion will be open and this portion will be sticked on the paper.
So that will be
It
reverse,
has to
right?
be
One
inverted.
portion
Yes,
is,
yes.
one portion is reverse.
Okay.
Okay. Now we will stick the small circles. We will take 4 small circles for one big circle. Same, we will be folding this.
Ma'am, can you just show the position at what position on the blue paper we are sticking the circle? In the middle of the.
You can just stick it wherever you feel like. It's not
Okay.
compulsory you have to stick it in this way.
Okay.
Okay, so with the small circles also we will fold it. We will first take 2 small circles, we will fold it.
The small circles are also supposed to be folded and then stuck on the same blue paper in different.
So you
Okay.
স্মল সার্কেলটা কি করব একটু দেখান প্লিজ।
Okay. So the small circles will form the leg. So you will stick it like this. One side will be open and one side will be, you will be sticking it. Same goes. One side will be open and one side you will be sticking this.
There are 8 of them. So where all do we stick these smaller?
I'll just show you. First, we will take the first 4.
Dunga.
Okay, so this first 4 has been stuck like this. Same, you will do it in this side. So 8 leg. So it will be stuck like this. So I'll just complete one and I'll show it to you how it is.
ବଡ ମାନଙ୍କର କ୍ଲାସ୍ ନା ଥିଲା ବୁଝିବ ଛୁଟି କହିದ್ರೆ କଣ କିଛି ଶିଖିନି Ma'am, these 3 I have stuck like this. Is that okay?
Okay. Yes.
And the last one here, right? Last one here, the one which is left. 2 of them which are left.
Yes. I'll just show you the complete image. So this is how you will make the first crab. My first crab is ready. So it will be like this. So one part, I will suggest the mothers, they can do it. The second part, maybe they can help out the children to do it. So basically, we are making crab out of these circles.
Crab face again. Can you just show that crab face again? Look. 2 jilly achi. Wow. Wow.
So it's like this.
Okay.
Okay, so if parents can do one portion of the crab, let the child do the second part of the crab. So this is very easy. You can just ask them to stick the circles, fold the circles and stick it so that they make a for themselves.
Can you just show the image once? I mean the crab image once.
Sure.
So we have to join this, then the googly eyes, and then the just a minute, just let us take a picture.
Googly eyes তো বলেনি এটা তো এমনি eyes করবে তারপরেরটা কি আছে তো বুঝতেই পারছি না পরেরটা কি ম্যাম এটা কি ঠিক আছে?
Yes, perfect.
আর এইটা পাশেরটা কি হবে?
Ma'am, see,
you
it will
can
be
just
like this.
ask, Shrinika to make the other crab.
Ma'am, it will be like this.
এটা শ্রীনিকা করবে।
Yes, perfect.
ও গুগলি আইস বসাতে হবে।
Okay, so the other crab, please help the child to make it.
মামা এদিকে আয়, মামা এদিকে আয়, এদিকে আয়, এদিকে আয়। ওইগুলো সরা এনে
और ये रख इसको फोल्ड करो जैसे मम्मा बनाई है ना वैसे बनाओ फोल्ड करो हाँ अच्छे से फोल्ड करो सब
ম্যাম নেক্সট সার্কেলটা কি এই রকম হবে? মানে উপর দিকে না সেম লেন্থে?
No, same one.
সেম
You can just, yeah.
What to do with the next circle, ma'am? Ma'am, just have a look. This is like this.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is this supposed to be like this?
Same, you will make two crabs like that only. Don't make it upside down because it will look a bit clumsy.
Ma'am, Annie ma'am, is this okay?
তুই আমাকে বলে একটা সাদা পেপার দিতে আমাকে বলে একটা সাদা পেপার দিতে
Annie ma'am, is this done?
Yes.
Yes, कहले चलो एटा कलर करो एटा क्रैब कलर करो
Okay, so the two crabs, it will look like this. Okay.
Ma'am, what is to be done with the googly white eyes which
You need to make the eyes of it, the crab.
okay
Okay. Very good, Shrinika, Yanvi. I can see you all doing your own work. Okay, if the work is done, I will request the parents to kindly lift up the work and show it to us. Very nice, Malini. Very nice, Gyan. Very nice. Very nice, Shrinika. Lovely. Very nice, Gyan. Very nice. Lovely. Very nice. Good, Shrinika. Okay, very nice, Utsav. Okay, so I guess almost all have very nice. Yes, Advika is also done. Very nice. Lovely. Very nice. Okay, so this is the end of the session. I will request the parents to kindly send in the image of the work they have done along with the child posing with it. So you can just WhatsApp me the images. Okay, so we'll meet you in the next session. So bye everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Say bye.
Bye bye. Bye Gyanvi. Bye Advika. Bye Himalini, Shrinika, Utsav.
Bye, Bye.
Bye. Take care.